Hello guys, from wherever you're watching this from, welcome back to another great video. And on today's video is a little bit different from what I normally do. So I'm going to take you on a tour on this beautiful resort that is found deep in the village. Actually, it's not deep in the village because this resort is located just after the main road of Sabatia. Sabatia is found in Kakamega County, and today I'm going to take you around this tour. So if you're planning to visit Kakamega County, feel free to contact me so that I will give you the location of this place. So welcome back to another great video. This is ZARITA Resort launge area, and as you can see, it is surrounded with beautiful nature, green flowers, and you can imagine just you in such a place, a wonderful place with beautiful seats. So let's start from the main ground. So when you open the gate, this is what you meet. Actually, look at what you meet. Just at the compound of this resort, you meet these wonderful and tastiest fruits, mangoes. This beautiful resort provides you with executive rooms from the VIP section to the regular section, and then it has an outdoor lounge where you can just rest, take a drink. There's also a bar section on the outdoor lounge, so that is where you can actually have your meals. If you don't feel like staying indoors, you can actually go to the outside lounge, take a meal, take your drinks, and also you can relax in these beautiful rooms that they have really worked hard on them. It is so comfortable. Their beds are so comfortable, and then they have a section where you can just work out on your things. Maybe you have your work things that you need to work on them. There's a comfortable table and a seat over there, and also inside the washroom there's a lot of things, guys. So that is why I had to take you around the tour so that you can see it for yourself. You all know that nature is life, and that's why I'm so glad that this resort provided you with all that you need from the nature, wonderful trees, wonderful flowers, as you can see. And not just that, they have also provided you with a room where you can just do a nyama choma. You've already seen that room, right? So let's get head on the main lounges. So the first things that you will see once you have entered in this outside lounge, you will see the comfy seats, and I love how they have also provided you with the arts on the walls. For those who do love the arts on the walls, this is for you, and you can see it's also about nature. So if you love nature, this is a place for you, guys. What are you waiting for? And also there are chandeliers, and as you can see, they are made out of nature. This is actually makonge. I will search for the name in English and then I will edit it below so that you can understand what this is. But you've already seen what it is, and you already know what that means. So this is a place where nature is involved in everything that they have made around here. And you can see how beautiful this compound is with the green grasses, wonderful flowers, and everything you see here, it is made out of nature. And also you can see they have tiled this place just to be specific because they wanted it to be clean. So that's why you can see they have really tried on the outside outdoor. Moving on, you can see there are televisions in all the corners of this outside lounge. Yeah, so it's not just one television but 3 of them in every corner. And also there's a radio where you can just listen to music if you don't feel like watching the TV. And not to forget, there's Wi-Fi connection, so you do not need to worry about the connectivity. And apart from that, there are also sockets where you can just charge your phone, charge your laptop, anything that you need to be charged. You do not have to worry. You don't have to just go inside and do the charging and all that. No, even the outside lounge provides you with all that you need when you are around this place. Not to forget, there are sections around this lounge area which provides you with privacy, and all the sections have been separated with walls that are made out of wood. As you can see, they considered nature to be the #1 building material in this resort. So let's move on to the bar section area where you will see different drinks, so you do not have to worry about anything. If you are a person who loves beer, if you're a person who loves whiskey, if you are a person who loves sodas and juice, this is a place where you can get all that. As you can see from the bar section, all drinks are available, from Viceroy to White Cup, and all that are available in this resort. You can also sit on this counter area where there are people who normally serve you at any corner of this lounge. So you do not have to worry of anywhere. You can just sit and then someone will be there for you to serve you. And not to forget also, they have washrooms just outside the lounge area, so you do not need to worry about anything. If you're a visitor who's just here to have drinks and to enjoy yourself, you do not need to worry about the washrooms. And the washroom, they are sparkling clean. It's only that I cannot show you the inner parts of that because not all people love to see that, but be sure that it is sparkling clean in the washroom area. So let's move into the rooms and see what's awaiting for us inside. This is the reception area where you can have inquiries if you need to be assisted, if you want to pay for something, the rooms, for your drinks. This is the reception area where all that is done. And as you can see, it has the best ambience, and it has seats for you to just wait around there while they are doing the work for you. So moving on from the reception, this is the first room, and as you can see, we are welcomed with a very magnificent view from the curtains to the clean tiles. Everything in here, from the walls to the curtains to the tiles to the washroom, it is sparkling clean, and this is what I love about this resort. And do not forget, this resort is found in the village, yeah, so you can see what the village provides you. Yeah, it's not just in the city, even in the villages, guys, you will be able to get such. Just look at how magnificent this place is. you can see, the toilet is sparkling clean. From the toilet seat, they have provided you with a tissue paper, and then there's a small window that allows the natural light to come inside. Also at night, they have also provided you with the bulb, and at the top of the sink, they have provided you with a special mirror. Just look at that mirror, the way it is artistically placed on the walls for you. Nature again, guys. You can see the sink is sparkling clean, and there's water running here 24/7, so you do not have to worry about the water issues. And also there's a small drawer where you can just place your soap if you have your own soap, although they provided you with a soap and the shampoo right there. As you can see, there's a shampoo and also there's a shower gel for you. Although if you have some other things, they have provided you with a drawer where you can place all your things right there. And not to forget, there's a heater, there's a water heater, so you do not need to worry about the cold, because there's a heater which makes the water to be hot for you. So let's get to the main point where I know all of you have been waiting for. So this is the room that you have all been waiting for, and I'm here to give you a tour of this room. Actually, all rooms look alike, so there's no difference. As you can see from the floor, they have placed a carpet for you, a very cozy and warm carpet for you. And not just that, there's also a sink for you where you can just wash your hands if you need to, because we all need to wash our hands. And as you can see, the curtains are well placed, and there are also sockets around this room. On each and every corner of the wall, there are sockets for you, so that means that you will be comfortable and all your things will be sorted out. So for the outside view, that is the back of this resort, so there's nothing special about the outside view, okay? But right here in the inside, you can see they have provided you with so many pillowcases. So if you love pillows, that is for you. And also the walls have been provided with the art, and I can tell you guys, this bed is so comfy with beautiful white bed sheets. This is what I love about a room in a resort or a room in a hotel. This is what I normally look out for, together with the sink. Guys, the cleanliness in this room is just on a top notch, guys. You can see we also had to remove our shoes because the room was super clean and we couldn't just step on it just like that. So moving on, this is the VIP lounge section area. This is actually a room where you can have your private meetings around here. So they have provided you with just a VIP lounge. If you need some privacy, maybe you came here with your company, your workers, and you just want to have a meeting here, this is a place for you. And they have really made it to be spectacularly, this is the cleanest resort I've ever been to. Actually, in the village, it is so rare to get such a resort in the village. So you can see how magnificent the seats are together with the room. They have also provided you with a comfy carpet where you can step on when you do not have when you do not need to be putting on your shoes. You can just step on the carpet, and you can see how the place is super clean. They have also provided you with a TV, and inside the VIP lounge area there's also a washroom, so you do not need to go back to the outdoor lounge area or to go back to your room. Each and every room, they have provided you with a washroom where you can just have your short call over there while you still go on with your meeting. And the TV around here, it is a smart TV. So if you have something to share with your colleagues, if you have something to share with your employers, your employees, this is a place where you can have a lot of discussion. You can use a lot of all these things that you see over here to just make the meeting for you to be successful. And also there's a wide window that provides you with natural light during daytime, and also at night they have provided you with electricity because there's electricity around all this resort. So that is something that you should not get worried about. And I had forgotten to mention this to you. There's enough parking space for you. There's actually more than enough parking space for you. So you do not need to worry about parking issues. That is something that I had really forgotten because it was supposed to be on the start of this video, but you do not have to worry. Now you know that there's enough parking space for you to park your car. This is the place where you can see this is a balcony. Over here, the entrance, there's something here to relax here. And then we move right inside. This is like the main lounge actually. You can see how big it is. Yeah, and then it's covered with traditional, this one, it's like a traditional material, African traditional material. And then over there, there's a TV. Yeah. And then Wi-Fi is available, so you do not have to worry about the connection of the Wi-Fi over here. And then over there, there's something you can lean on. There's a washroom here. Yeah, there are so many washrooms. There are washrooms inside, there are washrooms outside. So it depends with what you want. It's a large room. This is where you can have a meal with your family, with your friends. Yeah, and then also on this other side, there's another dining table with a sink. Yeah, and that's the view of the back door. Yeah, that's the view of the back side of this place. So I don't think we need that. But here, this is a place where you can just enjoy your meal with your friends, with your family. Yeah. So this is the main lounge where everyone can just come inside here and have a meal from this main lounge. That's why you can see they have provided you with the dining tables and the seats too, so that people can just assemble here. If you're a family visiting this place, this is good for you to just have meals all together. And around here, there's water 24/7. That's why you can see the water tanks are provided to store enough water for you guys. So you can see this is the best resort that I have ever been to in the village. And if you would love to know more on the contacts on how to contact this resort, kindly read on the description below. I have provided you with all information that you need on this description. And as you can see, this is a good place for you if you want a photo shoot for your wedding, for your graduation, if you just want to relax at the lounges, if you just want to enjoy your stay in the village and you do not have somewhere to go and stay in, this is the place for you guys. ZARITA Resort is located in Sabatia. Sabatia is in Kakamega County, and you're all welcome in my village because this is my village. Thank you so much for watching. It has been a wonderful day, and thank you so much for your support. See you on the next beautiful video. Bye bye.